Now I am making chicken coriander soup. The main ingredients: coriander, boiled chicken, carrot, beans, mushroom, this spring onion, egg, leeks, corn flour mixed in the water, green chili sauce, vinegar, ajinomoto, sugar, brown sugar, salt and pepper powder. This is the main ingredients, and garlic. Put oil, add coriander, add oil and coriander, fry the garlic. The garlic should be golden color. Add little stock, approximately 300 ml stock. Add carrot, beans, mushrooms, more coriander, spring onion, leeks little bit, salt, pepper powder, monosodium gluten, little bit green chili sauce, vinegar, and add chicken cubes, soup cubes, very little chicken cubes. Now the coriander soup is getting ready. Add corn flour for thickening. Add corn flour. Now I am adding egg. Add chicken, boiled chicken. Add little more corn flour. Become thick. Now the soup is ready. I'm putting in a bowl. The soup is ready.